God's Swiss Army knife for Seventh-day Adventists. One chapter in the Bible contains the Sunday law, Satan's personation of Christ, righteousness by faith, the death decree, and Christ's second coming deliverance, all in one sequence in order. And yet, Seventh-day Adventists, almost unbelievably, in this late hour, have not yet discovered it. Like a Swiss Army knife, this chapter of the Bible has all the tools Seventh-day Adventists need, all in one. The various elements of SDA end-time prophecy presented in prophetic symbolism, served up on a silver platter. God will reveal it to His people and open the eyes of the blind in His time and His providence.